Everybody. In today's lecture, we will discuss on velocity potential, stream function, followed by some problems related to velocity potential and stream function. Let me share straight away the file with you. Velocity potential. Velocity potential is designated by phi. It is defined as scalar function of space and time. Here space means in Cartesian coordinates function of x, y, z, and time means t, such that its negative derivative, its negative derivative with respect to any direction gives the fluid velocity in that direction. If phi is the velocity potential, its derivative in, for example, x direction, that is dou phi by dou x. Negative derivative means minus dou phi by dou x. It gives what? The velocity in that direction. As we are taking minus dou phi by dou x is the derivative in x direction. So velocity in x direction is u. So the basic definition is u is equal to minus dou phi by dou x. For example, mathematically, if we write mathematically, y is a function of x, y, z, t. Let u, v, w be the velocity components, be the velocity components in x, y, z directions. Then, as per the definition, u is equal to minus dou phi by dou x, v is equal to minus dou phi by dou y, and w is equal to minus dou phi by dou z. Negative sign, why negative sign? Negative sign indicates, it indicates that phi decreases with increase of x, y, z. Again, the flow is always in the direction of decreasing phi. For an incompressible fluid, for an incompressible fluid, if the flow is steady, then equation of continuity is given as dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y plus dou w by dou z is equal to 0. That is, dou by dou x of u means minus dou phi by dou x plus dou by dou y of v means minus dou phi by dou y plus dou by dou z of minus dou phi by dou z is equal to 0, which is dou square phi by dou x square plus dou square phi by dou y square plus dou square phi by dou z square is equal to 0. And this equation is called as Laplace equation. Again, below phi exists only in case of irrotational flow. For example, rotation component about z-axis, which is called as omega z, is equal to half of dou v by dou x minus dou u by dou y. If you substitute v is equal to minus dou f by dou y, similarly u is equal to minus dou phi by dou x, then if you see half into dou square phi by dou x dou y, this is minus minus plus dou square phi by dou x dou y. So it is 0. That means rotation is g. Rotation is equal to 0. That means phi exists only if flow is irrotational. The same you can be proved with rotation about y-axis and x-axis. For example, rotation about y-axis, wy is equal to half into y is over means the rotation will be done in xz plane, that is dou u by dou z minus dou w by dou x, or omega x is equal to rotation is taking place in yz plane, that means dou w by dou y minus basically dou v by dou z. So here if you substitute 5 values, then here also you will get 0, here also you will. So for example, I will show you also this half of dou by dou z of minus dou phi by u means dou x minus dou by dou x of w means minus dou phi by dou z. See, half into minus dou square phi by dou x dou z plus dou square phi by dou x dou z. So naturally it is equal to 0. Same is the case here also. Then next one is stream function. Stream function. It is represented by psi. It is defined as scalar function of space and time such that its partial derivative in any direction gives velocity component at right angles to it in anti-clockwise direction. Suppose if I take this is x direction, y direction. The velocity component in this direction is u and in this direction is v. And this is what we mean by anti-clockwise. So what is the definition says the for example if we take dou psi by dou x is equal to the velocity component at right angles to it. What is the velocity component at right angles to the x-axis? It is v. Similarly, dou psi by dou y is equal to then the at right angles to it in anti-clockwise. In anti-clockwise is this is x-axis. So anti-clockwise, if this is plus u, naturally this is minus u. So it is minus u because we are measuring in the anti-clockwise direction. In the positive direction, it is u. So negative direction, naturally it should be minus u. And kindly remember that psi is a function of x, y, t. Psi is always defined for two-dimensional flow only. So this is the next thing actually, as far as the stream function is concerned. Now, actually, if suppose psi is a function of xy base, if I take it, it in the case of steady flow, psi is a function of xy only. This is for steady flow. If we take it, then if I write what is d psi, total derivative of psi is equal to dou psi by dou x into dx plus dou psi by dou y into dy because psi is a function of x and y. What is dou psi by dou x? Just now we have seen d psi is equal to dou psi by dou x is equal to we just now mentioned it is v dx and this is minus u dy, right? We might suppose now d what is d psi indicates? What d psi indicates? D psi indicates the flow across the line. For example, if I take it, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, right? If here there is a point, here there is a point, this is one line joining like this is another line. For example, if I take it, this is x, this is y, basically. Suppose now, for example, this is another point. If suppose this point I take it as A, this point another point B. So here this is it is A x y, and this naturally these coordinates are x plus delta x, y plus delta y. Very near to it. So what this indicates the flow across the line ACB. So that's what it indicates. Now, if A and B are on the same line, then d psi is equal to the flow across the line, or d psi is equal to psi 1 minus psi 2. If we call stream function, here is psi 1, here is psi 2. Right? So this is the as far as stream function is concerned. Now, what is the comparison of pi and psi? We just now mentioned u is equal to minus dou phi by dou x. V is equal to minus dou phi by dou y. And we know that again from stream function side, basically minus u is equal to dou psi by dou y. V is equal to dou psi by dou x. And these equations are called Cauchy-Riemann's equations. What are the uses of the use of the above equations? One, if u, v are given, pi psi can be calculated. If pi is given, u, v, psi can be calculated. If psi is given, u, v, pi can be calculated. This is the use of this. Let us straight away go into some problems on this particular aspect. Problem 1. If for a two-dimensional potential flow the velocity potential is given by y is equal to x into 2y minus 1. Determine the velocity at the point P 4 5. Determine the value of stream function. Say at the point P. Y is equal to x into 2y minus 1. U is equal to minus dou phi by dou x. It is equal to minus dou by dou x of 2xy minus x, which is nothing but actually minus of 2y minus 1 or 1 minus 2y. V is equal to minus dou phi by dou y minus dou by dou y of 2xy minus x. It is equal to minus 2x. At point P 4 5, u is equal to 1 minus 2 into y, that is 5. So minus 9. V is equal to minus 2 into 4, minus 8. Therefore, velocity V is equal to ui plus vj, which is equal to minus 9i minus minus 8j, or V is equal to square root of minus 9 square minus 8 square, 81 plus 64. So it is equal to 12.04 units per second. Next, value of stream function at P 4 5. We know u is equal to 1 minus 2y, p is equal to minus 2x. We also know that dou psi by dou x is equal to v, dou psi by dou y is equal to minus u. So dou psi by dou x is equal to v means minus 2x. Or for example, from this, if we integrate d psi is equal to minus 2x dx, or psi is equal to minus 2x dx minus 2x squared by 2 plus c, where c is function of y. Because we are integrating with respect to x, the constant has to be with respect to the function of y. So therefore psi is equal to minus x square plus function of y. Name this as 1. Half the problem is solved. Then take the other equation. Dou psi by dou y is equal to minus u, which is equal to minus of 1 minus 2y. So it is equal to 2y minus 1. Therefore, d psi is equal to 2y minus 1 into dy. That is equal to 2y dy minus dy. Integrate with respect to y. Therefore, psi is equal to y dy means y squared by 2, 2 into y squared by 2 minus dy means basically it is y, right, plus function of x. This you call it as 2. If if fx is called as k, then psi is equal to y square minus y plus k. D psi is equal to psi by dou x is equal to dou k by dou x, because dou psi by dou x is equal here, so now 0 dou square. So therefore dou psi by dou x is equal to, but we know dou psi by dou x is equal to minus 2x. Therefore minus 2x is equal to dou k by dou x, or k is equal to, yes, if you take it, it is yes, dou k by dou x. So k is equal to minus 2x dx. Minus 2x dx means minus 2 into x square by 2. So it will be minus x square. So therefore psi is equal to y square minus y plus k means minus x square. So what we have done is, in the case of stream function, if you take it, first one we have taken what is stream function here, definitions, from there integrate and we got it. Basically here we got minus x squared plus function of y. So directly that here we reflected that k is equal to minus x squared. So this is one. I will show you the second problem also. The stream function for a two-dimensional flow is given by psi is equal to 2xy. Calculate velocity at p23. Find velocity potential. So first let me take correlation. Psi is equal to 2xy. We know dou psi by dou x is equal to v. Dou psi by dou y is equal to minus u. This is our notation. So therefore, first if I start, phi is equal to dou psi by dou x, that is equal to dou psi by dou x means psi is dou by dou x of 2xy. So it is nothing but actually 2y over first portion. Second thing is u is equal to minus dou psi by dou y minus dou by dou y of 2xy is equal to, then naturally if you find out, minus 2x over. Then what is the v value at 2 3 point is equal to 2y means 2 into 3 6. U value at 2 3 is equal to minus 2 into 2. It is equal to minus 4. V is equal to square root of u square plus v square, which is equal to square root of minus 4 square plus 6 square. Finally, it is answer is 7.21 units. So that is the first solution. The second problem is what? Velocity potential. For velocity potential, we know that u is equal to minus dou phi by dou x. V is equal to minus dou phi by dou y. These are the fundamental equations. So let us keep that. Already we know that actually what is u for us. U is equal to, just now above we found out 2x. V is equal to 2y. Just now we found. So now we take it the first equation. So u means what? Minus 2x is equal to, what is it equal to? Minus dou phi by dou x. Minus minus will cancel. So what is d phi is equal to 2x dx. If I integrate this, phi is equal to 2 into integral 2x dx means 2 into x square by 2 plus constant. What is that constant actually? It is equal to function of y. This is the first thing actually. So now it is therefore phi is equal to x square plus function of y. This is first thing. Now then I will go to the second one. What is the second one? V is equal to 2y, and V is also equal to minus dou phi by dou y. So that is minus dou phi by dou y is equal to 2y, or dou phi by dou y is equal to minus 2y. Then d phi is equal to minus 2y dy, or integrating phi is equal to minus 2 into y square by 2 minus 2 into y square by 2 basically plus function of x. So it is phi is equal to minus y square plus function of x. So our job is what? Either you find out function of y or function of x. One you find out so that the equation will be complete. So that what I am doing is this. You take any one of the equations, either this equation or this equation. One equation you take and try to find out if you take this equation, find out this. If you take this equation, find out this. Let us see that. I take this equation. I am taking phi is equal to x square plus function of y. My job is now to find out what is function of y. What is function of y? What I am doing it is, okay, well, I call this as simple, for just simple sake, some k, right? That is how we will put it. Now derivative of it, we will write it dou phi by dou y, because function of y, that's why I'm taking derivative of y. So x 0 it will be. So it will be what? Dou k by dou y. That is simple. This dou k by dou y, dou phi by dou y is equal to what? Actually, if we take it, dou phi by dou y is equal to, if you take what is this? This is nothing but actually minus v. And what is minus v? Minus v in the thing already it is known, minus 2y. So now I will equate dou k by dou y is equal to minus 2y, or k is equal, dou k is dk is equal to minus 2y dy, or k is equal to what? Minus 2y square by 2, right? Or k is equal to minus y square. So go on, substitute in that. Instead of function of y, you substitute this. Therefore, what will happen? Phi is equal to x square plus k. K is how much? Minus y. So this is the answer. Or otherwise, you can take this also and do it. So kindly understand, now what we are doing in here is integrating and getting the functions also clearly. So these are the two problems. You can take some more problem also. My request to you is, I will give you one problem. You try to solve this problem immediately after this, after just going through this class. Or u is equal to y cubed by 3 plus 2x minus x square y. V is equal to xy square minus 2y minus x cubed by 3. Question is, obtain psi. If you try to solve it, answer will be like this. X square y square by 2 minus 2xy minus x to the power of 4 by 12 minus y to the power of 4 by 12. Please try. Here I will stop the lecture for this particular topic.
Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.